In this video, we'd like to show you how to set up Eve WaterGuard, your connected water leak detector. When you open the box, you'll find the following items: a quick start guide including the home kit configuration code, as well as a 2-meter long sensing cable that serves as a full-length sensor. And of course, Eve WaterGuard, along with a variety of plug adapters that allow you to plug Eve WaterGuard into all types of outlets around the world. It's very easy to attach the plug adapter. Simply insert it and rotate it gently to the right. To remove the plug adapter, press the button on Eve WaterGuard and rotate to the left. Plug Eve WaterGuard into the outlet. Wait for it to blink red twice and then plug in the sensing cable. You can extend the sensing cable by simply attaching additional cables up to 150 meters. Extension cables are available in the Eve store. Use the Eve app to set up your Eve WaterGuard. It's available for free in the App Store. Open the Eve app, go to Settings, and select Add Accessory. Then scan the home kit configuration code. You'll find the code either on the bottom of your Eve WaterGuard or in the Quick Start Guide. After the accessory has been added, select the room where Eve WaterGuard is located. Once setup is complete, you'll see a summary showing the room where Eve WaterGuard is located and its name. Tap Done to see an overview of your room. Here you see the current status is safe, meaning no leak is detected. Next, you should test the alarm. Go to your settings and select Eve WaterGuard under Accessories. Then tap Test Alarm. The test will trigger a low-volume alarm. To run the test, you'll need a small bowl of water. Tap Start Test Alarm and then put the sensing cable in the water. This will trigger a soft alarm that is gentle on the ears. To end the test, simply tap Done. Now set a reminder to test your Eve WaterGuard at regular intervals. We recommend running a test at least once every 3 months. As soon as a leak is detected, your home app will automatically send you a notification. Notifications are activated by default when you set up Eve WaterGuard. It's important to note that you need a home hub in order to receive these notifications when you're not at home. We recommend using either an Apple TV or a HomePod. With a home hub, you have access to a wide variety of automations. For example, you can use a smart Eve energy plug to switch off the electricity to your washing machine as soon as a leak is detected. To set this up, tap Automations in the Eve app and select Rules. Tap Add Rule and then tap Continue. Add a trigger. Select Value and tap Leak under Types. Then select the relevant WaterGuard and switch the status to Alarm. Now tap Continue. You don't have to set any conditions for this automation. Now let's create a new scene by tapping Add and selecting Add Action. Under Types, select Electricity, followed by the plug that you want switched off. Make sure that the status is set to Off. Now tap Continue and give the scene a new name. Finally, give the rule a name. And that's it. Your new rule is now set up. As soon as a leak is detected in the basement, Eve Energy will automatically cut off the power supply. To guarantee that your Wi-Fi reaches Eve WaterGuard no matter where it is in the house, it helps to use Eve Extend. Place Eve Extend within reach of both your Eve WaterGuard and your Wi-Fi. You can assign up to 8 Eve accessories to 1 Eve Extend. This ensures that the signals always reach your iPhone or home hub, even if they are far away. If you need to reset your Eve WaterGuard, all you need is a paperclip. Use it to press the reset button on the bottom of the device. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Your Eve WaterGuard will blink 5 times to signal the reset is complete and the device is ready for use again.